You guys are probably wondering why the Mustang's parked out here and not normally on the driveway or in the garage. And yes, it kind of snowed today. Or at least it seems like it snowed at my house. So, as you can see, Pedro worked trying to put the battery back together. And the reason why is because once I got back from Arizona, car was completely dead. So, the car's been sitting in the garage for like 5.5 weeks in the cold. I guess somehow the battery just drained. So it didn't have enough juice to start up on Thursday morning when I tried to start it up to go to work. And today's Friday. We just got it back from AutoZone, recharging it, and they said the battery's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything together, and I'm gonna take this and go for a little drive because it's been a while since I've driven the Mustang. But yeah, basically it should be back together. And I am gonna be taking the what's it called, the underglow out soon, or sometime, I guess. Alright, the moment truth, guys. It's so cold in here. Alright, first start. It quieted down, not bad.
Much later.
Welcome back, guys. So it's been a couple days since I've been trying to start up my car that was originally parked right there, but now as you guys can see, it's snowed. That's just snow on last night. So right now I got the Mustang started up. It's warming up right now because I do have an appointment I gotta get to. But then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got for the Mustang, along with trying to put that the phone holder that I bought like 2 months ago before I left Arizona. I never got a chance to put it on until now. Well, after my appointment, I'll go ahead and show you guys me putting it on. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a very interesting drive to Twin, just because you guys can see the roads are very slushy in a way. And I had to shuffle all this. Hopefully it doesn't snow anymore. Like all these snow melts before it snows again. Because if not, then yeah, it's just gonna be a pain. But alright, let's get the Mustang out. Basically, this is how the road is right now. I do have the Mustang in snow and wet mode, just in case, because this being stage 2, it's a lot of horsepower for a rear end car, rear wheel drive car. So I'll let you guys know how these tires do. For the most part, I know I did have to drive to work early in the morning. There was like black ice everywhere, which surprisingly the tires did handle pretty good. As of right now, no traction lost. She's going through it. Alright, well, I'm gonna put the camera down just because you know, I am driving in the snow.
And Chevrolet. Together let's drive.
Welcome to Matador's Must See America. If you've never tried cross-country...
And didn't realize that I left her empty when I went to Arizona. But she really dirty, guys. I think it's insane. One thing for sure is the tires didn't handle the slush and the wet road. Anyway, guys, I'm glad that she's back. I'm glad that I'm, you know, driving her. Arizona's been fun, but I definitely miss my Mustang. And honestly, I can't wait till the day I have the opportunity to be able to drive the Mustang over there. Especially since there's a lot of Mustangs over there. And now I kind of understand when people mention like, oh, Mustangs are regular traffic. It's like compared to here in Twin, you don't really see them. But in Arizona, you see them everywhere. So it's kind of weird. Anyways, I just got out of my appointment and it went well. And honestly, to show you guys what I got. So I ended up getting this for my phone. So that way I can like put it somewhere up here. But I wasn't sure if I should do this or not. But then, you guys remember 2 months ago I bought this. Which, I want to give this thing a try first. I'm just not sure where to put it. And obviously, like, you can put this on here. But I don't know, guys. It came with some double-sided tape, but it wasn't like, it was like very thin. It wasn't even strong. So it wasn't capable of like staying on the dash. So I ended up putting my own double-sided tape. Which, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think about seeing where I want to put it. So, I decided to go with this one. Just cause, watch, you guys will see. You will see why I went with this one instead of the other one. But, then I'm gonna put it right here. So, to do that, I'm gonna have to clean the surface. Alright. Basically, what's cool about it is it comes with like 2 different magnet sizes. Then I can go ahead, and it has double-sided tape. But basically, I can go ahead and put it on my phone. But what's cool about it is the magnet already works with my phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there and pray it lasts long. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right there, guys. Yes, the magnet's already on there. I think that'd be cool. Now, I guess it's time for the magnet part. Go on my phone. I'm gonna get the alcohol wipe, just wipe it down. Basically pat it down like this. Nice. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Let me show you guys. It's just kind of good because it's like not in the way, so that way I can just focus on driving. And I can lean forward and then go ahead and just like that. And then when I want to take it off, comes off. And it's still on there. Nice. I like that. Yeah, I don't know what to do with this. I guess I'll just store it somewhere in my room and keep it for later in the future. And my car is dirty. Oh, it's bad. I need to wash this. Look how dirty. Yeah, definitely gonna go ahead and clean this tomorrow. As in today, I don't have that kind of time. But yeah. It's probably gonna be a really short video, and you know, there's not much I can record because it is winter, and most of my friends, you know, who have Mustangs, went ahead and put it away for the winter. They only want daily driving mine, so kind of hard. But I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and peace.
I ain't religious, I don't follow no pope. Satan out here knocking, ain't no jokes. Going back to my sin like a dog to a bone. Jesus didn't come for first class, he came